Good evening, friends. Today our topic is 7th house lord in 9th house. So before knowing the impact of 7th house lord in 9th house, first we have to know about 7th house and 9th house. 7th house lord in 9th house means placed third from on house, so we can also check the impact of first house lord in third house. 7th house lord is Kam Kona and 9th house lord is a Dharma Kona. So according to our belief, a powerful Kam house lord placed in a Dharma house is not considered good, which is indicating that natives may be away from Dharma and inclined towards Kama matters. But in modern day of conception, it is not considered so much bad by the public. 9th house belongs to the father and 7th house is a Marak house. So 7th house lord in 9th house, if not well placed, then it may cause Marak for the father, such as his father may be suffering from health related issues. It may also possible separations from father. If well placed, then father may live far away place or foreign place from the natives. Because 7th house is also indicating far away place. Father may get success in a foreign place. But if the 9th house lord is big and 7th house lord is strong, then any functional malefic regarding the 9th house is involved in this combination, then it may cause evil regarding the lifespan or ayu of the father. Otherwise, father may be wealthy, rich, and due to placement of 11th house lord is 11th house lord from the 9th house in 9th house is indicating his father may be very wealthy person and he has very good prosperity. 7th house belongs to the wife. When 7th house lord in 9th house, wife may be good, wife may be religious, and he may be following religious rituals. Natives may get success after marriage. Again, native may getting advice or suggestion of his wife, and his wife may be a very good guide for him. Native may be fortunated after marriage or wife may comes with fortune. But if the 7th house lord in 9th house is not well placed and affiliated, then it may cause dishappiness in marriage life. Natives may facing quarrel in marriage life. If badly affiliated, then it may cause separations with wife. Actually, 7th house lord in 9th house must be in good condition for a happy marriage life. 9th house is a Bhavat Bhavam for 5th house. So 7th house lord in 9th house is not considered good regarding the children. Then if 7th house lord in 9th house is not well placed, then it may cause health related issues to his children. If Jupiter is also not well placed in charts, then it may cause serious issues to the children. 7th house is a Kam Kona and 9th house belongs to our morality. So 7th house lord in 9th house is indicating native does not has a moral character. 7th house is a Kam Kona and 9th house is a fortune house. So native may be fortunated regarding the sexual matters, and according to our classical books, it is indicating native may be enjoy union of many women. Means native has so much happiness of sexual pleasure. But it is also depending on second house, which is belongs to our morality or sanskar. Overall, it is indicating native may has good sexual power and stamina, but if the seventh house lord is well placed in ninth house. Seventh house and ninth house both are the traveling house. So seventh house lord in the ninth house is indicating native may be traveling to a far away place or foreign place. Native may be going to far away place from his birthplace for a long time. It may also indicating native may be getting fortune from the foreign land. It may possible native may goes for the religious travel or a study purpose or for business purpose, which is indicated by the dasa and the planet involvement, because that seventh house is also belongs to the business related activities. Seventh house also belongs to the studies related activities. Ninth house is also belongs to the higher studies. So it maybe depends on the planets native's age and dasa. So native maybe goes for the higher study purpose or business related purpose or religious traveling, which depends on the desh kal and pratha. Seventh house lord in ninth house is not considered good regarding the mental peace, because his mind is very much inclined towards materialistic happiness. When the seventh house lord is placed in ninth house with the ninth house lord, it's make a Rajyog. So if the combination is well placed, native may be very fortunate after marriage. He may also get money from the marriage. Native may accumulate huge wealth. Native may be religious person and visited religious place, and he may be give donation for religious purpose. Native's wife may be truthful and honest. Native may get good success in foreign land. Native may gets good name and fame. But this combination is not good, then wife is not so much good, and she may be creating problems for the natives, and the native may be doing wrong acts to fulfill his wrong desires. Now we have to look the classical books regarding the seventh house lord in ninth house. According to the Brihat Prasar Hora Shastra, when the seventh house lord in ninth house, then native may have happiness through many women. He may be defeated by women. He will be doing acts which may be milestone for the society. Seventh house lord in ninth house, then native will be charming and famous person. He has best conduct. He may be pleasant in natures. If the seventh house lord is natural malefic, then he may be looks like a transgender. If Lagnesh is accepting the seventh house lord, then he may be looks like a tapasvi. Thank you. Next day our topic is seventh house lord in 10th house.